What was the Somerset Case? What exactly was the Somerset Case? This landmark legal decision took place in England in the year 1770 and had a significant impact on the institution of slavery. The case revolved around James Somerset, an enslaved African man who was purchased in the American colonies by Charles Stuart, a British customs official. Stuart brought Somerset to England, where Somerset later escaped but was captured and imprisoned aboard a ship bound for Jamaica. This ship was set to take him back to a life of plantation labor. The case gained momentum when Somerset's supporters sought a writ of habeas corpus. This legal order demands that a prisoner be brought before the court to determine if their detention is lawful. Somerset's supporters argued that his imprisonment was illegal and that he should not be forcibly removed from England. The Chief Justice of the Court of King's Bench, William Murray, known as Lord Mansfield, presided over the case. Lord Mansfield ruled that slavery was not supported by English common law. He stated that a slave could not be forcibly taken from England and sold abroad because English law did not recognize the property status of slaves. Instead, the court viewed slaves as servants with certain protections. This meant that Somerset could not be legally detained or deported against his will. Although Lord Mansfield limited the ruling to avoid creating a broad precedent that would abolish slavery outright, the decision was interpreted as effectively ending slavery in England. This ruling had a profound impact, undermining the legal basis for slavery and inspiring enslaved individuals and abolitionists in the British colonies and beyond. The Somerset Case contributed to the growing abolitionist sentiment, influencing the eventual abolition of the slave trade and slavery within the British Empire. From the perspective of the American Civil War and its political causes, the Somerset Case is significant. It highlighted the differing legal and moral views on slavery between Britain and the American colonies, particularly in the southern states. The ruling alarmed many American slaveholders, who feared that British abolitionist tendencies could threaten their economic and social systems based on slavery. This tension over the institution of slavery was part of the broader context that fueled sectional divisions leading up to the Civil War. The Somerset Case exemplifies early legal challenges to slavery that influenced both British and American attitudes toward the institution and its eventual contestation in the 19th century.